My name is Bauer and you're watching Bauer Log from Europe. Today I'm going to discuss about a static route lab, and there are two kinds of the IP addresses. One is a dynamic, another is a static route. So static route, we just assign the IP address manually and it's used for the small network, not for the larger network. For the larger network, we prefer dynamic IP addresses like OSPF, EIGRP, and the RIP. So what I'm going to do it now, I'm going to start this lab and just jump here in this router and just see the configuration what we have done right now. That's why I'm going to show you. And just when I just because what I'm going to show you here, I have already given the IP address here. And also here, you can see here, this is the fast Ethernet slide 0, and this is the IP address I have assigned here and here. And the same as well on the other router as well. So what I'm going to do it now, the simple is that I'm going to configure the static route. The command is IP route. And what I'm going to do it now, I'm going to uh, just just write it down these IP address of the network. So what I'm going to do, the network address of this IP address is 3.0. You can see here the IP address we have assigned here on that port. So we in the static route we are giving because we are on the router 0, and I just assign the network address and subnet mask 25.25.0, and then the next one, the 192.168 dot 1.4. This is the IP, the next one. This is the IP address we have to give because we are here on the router 0. And then enter and write it down. And then we just jump on this router and we do the same configuration, but the IPs on the network is different now. Different. IP route and command. Here we just give 192.168. This IP address of the network. The network address is 2.0 to 500.25.25.0. And the next hop is this 192.168.1.2. Then enter and write. Now we can see the configuration, what we have done, and where is the static route. All right, static show IP route. Just give me a second. It shows the static here. This is static here. Show IP route. I show static. Sorry. It shows static here. Configure here and also here. It shows this IP192 because we are here. And if we just go there and show IP route static, show this one, this network address of this IP address, what we configure on this fast Ethernet. And also now we just can't go on the PC. That's a very important step. We just follow the instruction of the topology, what we have given the IP address, and just 5, and the subnet mask is 192.168.2 dot. And this is the gateway. That's a very important. Keep this in mind. Follow the topology, what we have given the IP address. It's 2.6.0 and 192.168 2.6. And then we close this one here and just jump here and 192.168.3 dot. The IP address is 5 and the gateway is 168.3.4. This is the gateway. The next one, the last one is left in our lab, 192.168. IP address 3.6. That's the IP address we given here. It shows here, and so I've just given this IP address here. And then 192.168 dot, excuse me, 3.4. This is the gate. So what I'm going to do it now, I'm just here. I'm going to ping 192.168.3.4. It's pingable. Ping dot 192.168.1.4. This is the IP address here. So I'm sit here in this router 0, and I'm going to ping this one fast net 0/0. So it's also pingable as well. So that's fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm sit on the PC 0, ping 192.168.3.6. So it's working, that's no problem. So this is all about the static address. So I again show IP route static, it shows here, and so everything is fine. So this is the configuration of the static IP route and how it works in the industry. So this is a small lab where I've just taken two routers, two switches, and two PCs, and also it's all pingable. So right now the last I just going to ping 192.168.2.3. It's also pingable as well, and also the neighbor one, the next hop, this one here, and also this is pingable. So this lab is successfully working fine. So I have just shown you and just configured the static route. I have just assigned the IP addresses and the gateway on the PCs, so all they communicate with each other with the help of the static route. So if you have any questions, you can ask without any hesitation. And so if you enjoy my video, I hope, then you definitely don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Baba Relog from Europe. Till then, I must say have a lovely weekend and have a lovely day as well. And take care. Bye.